Mrs. Gavassos with the HB Zachary Orchestra, and here we are doing a quick tutorial on dance of the reed pipes for the violin part. So all my violins in here will be able to go along. Okay, so we are at measure one. Measure one, Pablo was awesome and he let me borrow his violin so you could see all my fingers and all the tapes. We have D, C, C sharp, D, C sharp, fourth finger E, 2, 3, 4, and then yes, y'all could pizzicato along as well. Measure 3, that is a G natural. Instead of having your second finger here, you're gonna have your second finger there on the white tape. It's a G natural. So measure 3 goes G, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, A, F sharp. So that part again, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, A, F sharp. Measure 3, measure 4, half note. Measure 5, B, 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 quarter note, quarter note. Same thing from 6. And now you are at measure 7. Measure 7, you have a lot of D notes followed by an E. So make sure you have your fourth finger E ready. It's going to be a lot easier and faster than trying to change notes, and your E won't stick out as much. So at measure 7, you're going to go D, 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 C sharp, fourth finger E, D. Measure 8, D, C sharp, B, A, G natural. So we're going to do measure 8 again. Measure 8 is D, C sharp, B, A, G natural, E. 9, 10, 11, 12 is the same as the beginning. 2, 3, 4. 13, 14, 15, that F sharp is first finger on the E string. F sharp, F sharp. 16, you're going to do your fourth finger A instead of open A. And if you look, you have a G sharp. So that's going to be, instead of G natural, you're going to have G sharp extended third finger. So if you have all the bajillion color tapes, it's going to be on that white tape. So measure 16 goes A, G sharp, A, G sharp, sorry. It goes like this, sorry, wrong string. A, G sharp, A, G sharp, B, A, B, A, C sharp. When you get to measure 17, you have a whole bunch of whole notes. So you're gonna just hold them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 19, 2, and 3, and 4, and 20, 2, and 3, and 21, 2, and 3, and 4, and 22, 2, 3, rest on 4. 23, half, note, half, note. 24, half, note, rest. And you go back to the beginning. So you're gonna play measure, when you get to the end of measure 24, you're going to go back to measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After measure 6, you're going to go to the coda, which is at measure 25. So you're going to go here at the coda, which is measure 25. You're going to go D, B flat, A, D, D. B flat is going to be back here. Not B first finger A, but B flat right there. Cool. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Like, share, make sure that your friends are practicing this as well. And y'all be set. Y'all have a good day.